Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are fine and studying well at home. In previous session we have studied life cycle of a chicken and we have seen different stages of a hen from egg till adult hen. So now in today's session we are going to see life cycle of a butterfly. Now butterflies are of various shapes and beautiful colors and they are part of our environment. They live their life among plants. As butterflies grow, they pass through four stages. These are egg, larva, pupa and adult. The adult stage is called butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly is very common. Let us take example to see how the growth of butterfly takes place. The female plain tiger butterfly lays an egg on milkweed. In Marathi we call it as rui. It is milkweed leaf. In 6 to 8 days the larva emerges from the egg. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. Now here you can see at the top on a leaf there are eggs, and at the second stage you can see a picture of caterpillar. When the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. It begins to nibble and eat the leaf on which it emerges from the egg. It eats very fast, so its growth is very rapid. The caterpillar of the plain tiger butterfly grows so rapidly in the first 2 or 3 days that it does not fit in its skin anymore. But under the old skin, a new loose skin is formed on the growing caterpillar. Then the caterpillar sheds the old skin, that is, it molts. Now children, here you are going to learn a new term, molt. Molt means to shed old skin to make way for new growth. Then again it begins to gobble up the leaf and continues to grow rapidly. In 2 or 3 days it molts a second time. In this way it molts 4 times. It remains in the caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. Just before the last mold, the caterpillar weaves a button of a silken thread on a stalk or a leaf and hangs itself from it. Then when it molts, this time it forms a pupa, which is the next stage of its growth. The pupa of a butterfly is also called as chrysalis. Now here in this third picture, means at the bottom you can see a pupa. It remains inside the chrysalis for the next 11 or 12 days. It does not eat anything during this stage. However, inside the chrysalis, important change take place in its body. The growth of plain tiger gets completed inside the chrysalis. Then the adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It now has 4 attractive wings and 6 long legs. All butterflies go through this stage of the growth. For each type of butterfly, the type of plant on whose leaf its female will lay eggs is fixed. Then the time the larvae take to emerge from the egg is different for different type of butterflies. There is a great variety in caterpillars. Different types of caterpillars are of different colors. Their body is long. Many types of caterpillars are hairy. So children, in this session we have studied about 4 stages of butterfly, that is from egg to adult butterfly. First stage is laying eggs, second is growing to caterpillar, third stage is going to pupa, and fourth stage is adult butterfly. So, this was all about life cycle of butterfly. Thank you.